Hello, coach. Welcome to the post-match press conference. We have a few questions from the media. Did you feel you did not carry your luck to the game today?
Well, right. It feels like that, but yes, I think we created enough chances. We don't have to blame anyone. I think luck do sometimes like we say about luck, but we have to blame ourselves. We should have taken chances. I thought they were not that difficult chances when we should have scored, and yeah, that's why we feel like we should have got all 3 points.
Given the type of chances your team had, how frustrating was it to see the game end as a draw?
Well, on the touchline, it's always really, really frustrating when you see your team doing really well according to the plan, and then creating those chances and not scoring. It's really frustrating, and you can't do much. Like only just keep encouraging them, and like you only hope they will score. And but not blaming them. Like this was not their day, our boys or our day. Um, these are the players who will make us win also.
In the second half, was it more of a desperation as your attackers were trying to make best of even half chances?
Well, half chance is half chance. They need to make best of out of every chance. They are attackers, whether it's half chance or it's 60-40. If they can convert that into goal, I would have been really happy. But we still missed many chances. We dominated the match. That's what I feel. And yes, we'll go back home and start working.
Sahel is having an inconsistent season. As he's important to the flow of your side, how crucial is it to bring back his confidence?
I don't think he's regular. We feel like he's doing fantastic job. Not only making some good moves, I think he's doing fabulous in defending also. Uh, I'm sure our head coach, me, everybody, we are really happy with him. That he brought this aspect to his game by tracking back, going, helping, defending. You could see today one crucial head when goalkeeper missed the ball and he headed the ball out in set pieces. You would have not seen this earlier from the Sahel, and we are really pleased with him.
Rahul and Jackson are two players who have shown fighting spirit and got goals in crucial moments of the season. In their absence, did you feel the team missed that kind of killing spirit at the end?
Yep, they are good players. We definitely miss them. That's why they are in this team, and they have already proven. Coming uh, in late and scoring goals, and definitely we do miss them.
Final question. Unbeaten in 5 games, not far behind the fourth place team in terms of points. How much of confidence has the few matches given the team?
It's always like in this bio bubble. I think one thing which can help you to survive here is by winning matches. And not losing. And I think we have been doing quite well. We have been working really hard in training ground not to give those easy goals which earlier, due to lack of concentration, we conceded in first leg. I think second leg we have been doing pretty well in defense also, and today also I don't remember whether they got any clear cut chance, but yes, we are working hard, and all credit goes to the boys and coaching staff.
Thank you for your time, Coach. Good luck next game.